Alright, people, settle in. Marc smells bacon, and that's usually a good thing. That's the smell of a job well done. But sometimes you walk into a place and the smell ain't bacon. It's the smell of public trust being betrayed by those who should be caring for us. A bunch of healthcare workers at Sansum Clinic, a Sutter health partner in Santa Barbara, decided to act like clowns, and they filmed it. From the account at Angie Uncut, showed them mocking patients. It had captions like, "Guess the substance," and, quote, "Make sure you leave your healthcare workers sweet gifts like these." Sutter Health has fired everyone involved. In a statement, they called the behavior an outright violation of their policies. But a house with a bad foundation, one storm doesn't cause all the problems. It just exposes the rot that was already there. The internet detectives of Reddit were quick to jump on this. One user in the Santa Barbara Reddit thread said, "If that's what they post publicly, imagine what goes on privately." Another nurse on Reddit thread Nursing wrote, "This is beyond unprofessional and unethical. Fired isn't enough." The online reviews started coming in hot. Check out Yelp. "This is a fundamental violation of patient dignity and basic human decency. When you work in a position of trust, that trust is everything." The scariest part about this TikTok video was the fact that nobody in that group of laughing professionals thought this is a terrible idea. That nursing staff might have been trying to go viral, but instead they went straight to unemployed. Turns out, For Your Page isn't as important as patient care. So Sutter Health has fired them, but is the Nursing Board of California going to take any action? I guess we'll wait and see. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Marc Smells Bacon.